Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to give you the answer to Prepper Challenge number 1, which was simple. Go a full week without paper towels. And you guys can come on in and see what I'm cooking here. A lot of people responded to this, well, this is just too easy. And why did you pick this one to go first? And it's simple, because it helps you to understand the concept of prepping is setting up something sustainable. And during this latest little COVID-19 crisis, there was a run on paper products. And that just sort of exaggerated the point of how unsustainably many people think. And it's unlikely that you will store enough paper towels to make it through any kind of long-term emergency situation. They're big, they're bulky. You definitely couldn't carry a bunch with you if you had to go somewhere. And the key to prepping, and this will always be the key, is sustainability. Our ancestors, they knew this, even our recent ancestors. Your grandparents understood that they had to make things that would last, because they wanted it to be sustainable. Over the last 50 or 60 years, this country has really lost sight of that. In the quality of stuff that we make, but more importantly, the quality of stuff that we buy, because we don't really make a whole lot of anything anyway. So, right now I'm cooking bacon. And speaking of sustainability, I have not bought sliced bacon in probably 4 years because I found that I enjoy bacon ends and pieces better. It's a superior bacon. The chunks and pieces you get are really, really nice. You don't have nice uniform slices, but just the same, you have them. I'm going to show you here. I have all that bacon that's already draining there. I did not use a paper towel for that. That's very important. Usually, we would take the bacon, we put it on a plate with paper towels on top of it. Well, this strainer just strains the bacon, and the bacon would just drip out of that pan. But another thing that can be done, and I do this usually when I do it because it helps me handle the lard all at once, is I just pour the lard right back on top of it, and all those bacon bits and pieces, scrape them all down in there. And that's good stuff. And then I just have to wipe out my skillet good and I'm done. Now, that bacon grease is already strained. And down in this bowl for me, just about as clean as can be. No paper towels used. That's a lot of bacon fat there. Me and A will actually do a video on this later on, teaching you how to make lard candles. It's really simple, it's really easy, and this will give us a jump start on it. Now, moving on with the Prepper Challenge and the answer to. I was looking around after the shortage on paper towels and toilet paper and whatnot, and I noticed that no one had made a run on the washcloths and hand towels. Although you could buy 24 washcloths and an additional 6 hand towels for the same cost of a jumbo pack of paper towels. You can reuse these over and over again. It's sustainable. This is how it was done before paper towels. And I would say, if your idea is to be prepared either in your pack or at home, that you should have a collection of both washcloths and hand towels. And I'm telling you, most of you southern people that follow me, that you're going to say, well, my grandparents did it. A lot of you will say that you still do this. But you would be surprised how many people don't. They don't use washcloths. They don't do hand towels. They don't really use sponges. They throw away everything that they use when they're doing their cleaning process. Everything is disposable. You cannot both have disposable and sustainable. That is the most important thing to understand about prepping. That is my answer to not using paper towels in your house for a full week, the Prepper Challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to enjoy some bacon. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Please click like and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.